Design of exterior modules containing devices of various purposes is another part of the game that has to be set in stone right from the start. The size of module cases, functionality and implementation is the main topic of this week's Dev Diary. Hello and welcome to the Volcanoids Dev Diary. My name is Thomas, and this week we would like to show you progress on the exterior modules. The visual of the drillship must suggest a heavy machinery vehicle capable of withstanding large pressure. We experimented with many different module case designs to find one that works well with the original idea. Once the shape was set, we tried several iterations of detail placement to find a good detail density. We want to be sure the information is there, but it's not hard to distinguish different modules from each other. Once the modules were ready, we did a test run inside Unity to see players' point of view and the overall feeling of the modules and drillship. In this example, you can see all different size variations of the ship deployed on the surface. For now we are fine with the visual and want to move to the next important part, functional modules. Modeling was sort of easy, but animating the modules, that was a whole new story. There was quite a lot to learn and set up, since each module has multiple states and will have unique visuals based on its function. Top and side variations had to be modeled and animated as well. At this point, we have functional foundation that will be used for all future modules that still have to be made. After a lot of model re-exporting and adjusting the animation, we finally managed to get it working in Unity. Once this first functional module was in, we started working on connecting modules with the actual drillship to see how it works together and what it's like to see it from players' eyes. One of the main goals is to clearly indicate the state of a module, no matter if you are outside or inside the drillship. Throughout several iteration rounds with placeholder models, we established raw but functional drillship. At this point, we contacted a great concept artist, Libor Popovic. He took the visuals of the modules and turned them into awesome concepts that show how the modules could look in the future. He did tons of great art for us, including the cog character you saw in previous Dev Diary. More from his work during our cooperation will be shown in future videos. Make sure to check out his online portfolio for more great concept art. The link is in the description. That is all for this week. Next Dev Diary, we will focus at interior of the drillship and all its components. Again, we will cover everything from early prototypes to Unity implementation and playtesting, so stay tuned. Also, the Volcanoids development team wishes you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you for watching and see you next Dev Diary.